Hi everyone, thanks for watching this short video. We'll have a look on the new web interface of Helios IP intercoms. Basically, in general, this new web interface will be released with firmware 2.6. It's valid for all 2 and Helios IP intercoms. And the reasons why we've changed the web interface is that we wanted to make it faster, dynamic, that means more responsive. It can be used also on a tablet, so it's kind of a new style, not static old-fashioned web design, and it's much easier and intuitive to use. So let's have a look on it.
So right after you see the login page, you see that it's completely different. What you can see here is you can see the name of the device you're logging into, the serial number and the type. After login, you see the dashboard. As you can see, we have completely changed the design, and it's divided into tiles. The bigger the tile is, the more important it is. The biggest one is the status, where you can see the overview of what's going on around the intercom. You can have more details when you click into the status. And here you can see also how fast the web interface is. It's much faster than the old one. And the 4 main tiles. Here's all the parameters, which are not divided into basic settings and advanced settings. They're basically divided into directory, services, hardware and system. The smaller tiles on the right hand side are the shortcuts, and here those 4 tiles, there's the live view from the camera. Here's a link to our website where you can see more materials about the intercoms, and this brings you to our wiki where you can find all the manuals and FAQ. So you get redirected to manuals and FAQs. And this is the shortcut for the license page. So basic scenario, what you want to do, we want to change the phone number of a user. Click on the directory and you can see something what's already familiar. This is the phone book settings. What's nice about it, here's the apply button, which is always visible. I want to change something, I get a hint of what can be entered into this field. When I change anything, the apply button is not gray anymore, it's black, so I can save the changes. If I change anything and I don't hit the apply button but I want to go elsewhere, I got a hint that I should probably want to save something. No, I don't want to save anything. And look, this is not enabled position in the phone book. I'm not able to enter anything. It blocks me until I enable the position. So when I want to go, to codec settings or SIP settings, for example, I can either return to the dashboard, or I can use the shortcut and go directly into services. Again, this is something you're already familiar with, as the SIP settings. When someone's using a tablet, and he probably has a much smaller screen, so we can have a look on how responsive the design is. When the window is getting bigger, it rearranges. So with such a small window, I can still use it with tablet, for example. So what's the division of the web interface and directory? Everything connected to particular users. In services, there's all the SIP and codec settings, emails, automation, web, and so on. In hardware, you get all the switches, all the audio settings, camera, keyboard, everything was related with the hardware. And in the system, you see the network, licenses, tracing of the Ethernet interface, licenses. So I hope you like the new style, and I hope you enjoy the work with 2 and Helios IP intercoms. Thanks for watching.